let's do a small piece of the talk about how OrthoK is creating that shape. We know that OrthoK is using a lens that is a GP lens with the central area as a flattened zone that is intended to correct the myopia, in that case, flattening the central area of the cornea. And there is a reverse curve that is the key of all the fitting, because it helps the lens to land there again in the cornea. And then we have alignment curve. The point here is that will be the initial conception of OrthoK, but today we understand that that change of the shape here, that change of the shape is the responsible of the change in optics in the eye, and is the responsible for myopia control. So we know today that changing the shape of the lens, changing the way we modulate the changes of the epithelium can help to improve our results in myopia control for the future. Here is a picture in the OCT and how the OrthoK works. We can see the thickness of the epithelial layer of the cornea here, and the mid-periphery is a little bit thicker. In the middle, we have the stroma. After apply orthokeratology lens here, we can see the change we have in the thickness. In the mid-peripheral epithelium, we have an increase on thickness. Then we have a decrease in the mid-periphery far away, and a decrease on the thickness in the central zone. These changes are a change that we are calling that a refractive technique, that is in addition in some addition in material here, and subtractive in material in the center. So it's a both that changes the total thickness we are creating the new shape. Is not only a change in the central epithelium, it's both central and peripheral. That's why the reverse curve that is landing in that area is creating that accumulation of cells there, and dramatically changes the shape. And this change of that shape, that is curve, it changes the ray tracing that is going to the cornea and going to the retina. This is a plus power area. This is a curved, is more steepened radius of curvature, and this means this is a high increase in plus power. That's why we talk about the plus power ring or the changes on peripheral refraction.